the language that is used in Karel. So I opened au.e42.dev, okay, and then I'm opening Karel game Karel. So this is what is open, right? So if you see, there is something called reference here, okay. Uh, there is this reference. So reference will have all the things that are there in the Karel. See, everyone, people who joined late to this course, okay, it's not just doing C programs which are given in RAPL. You should also go through this Karel, okay. In the order from the starting, whatever things are done, if you do, then you will have a better understanding. Otherwise, it will be difficult to map. Okay, you should go in that order. So here there is a reference where you can actually see this, and if you see, okay, Karel, we started with this. Let me make it. These 4 commands we have started in Karel, okay, and you have something like, so this is the way it is there. You have this function main and some things, and you have definition and helper functions and all, okay. So here, if you see, there are like conditional statements, iterative statements, method definition, and these are some conditions and all those things, okay. So you are asking about this one. So just let me put this. This is same. Same in C and JavaScript also. Okay. So this is JavaScript what they're showing, but this is the same. C syntax is the same. Like we have this condition, okay, and you can have this else block, or you, without writing else also, you can just have the if also. Okay, this we did not discuss. Okay, so we can just write only if. Okay, or you can have if and else also. Okay, both are actually works. We have shown examples if else, but you can also do only if also. Okay, there's a condition and there's a body. The between these brackets, this is if. If it is true, it is the body. If it is false, that is else body. Okay, it is same in C. It is same is in almost all languages. It is same in almost all languages. Okay, so maybe I should actually put this. Okay. You see, and all programming languages. Okay, it is same in all programming languages. Okay, so
Many are saying your voice is breaking.
my voice is breaking. Okay, I'll make sure. So, 1 minute. So this if condition, the style, if you have one condition and you have only if block, or you have if condition, if that is to one body and else another block of code. Okay, you can have two blocks of code for if condition true and false, and you can just have, in some case you don't want else. Okay, you just want to have if. Okay, in that case you can only use that one part. So this structure is same in all almost all programming languages. Okay, so yes. So now coming to iterative statements. Okay, so iterative statements, if you see, not only in C also you can write something like this. You can write int I also. You can declare the variable inside the for. Okay, but there is a catch. The thing is, it will only work in this area between these blocks that I will work. If you come outside for loop and say printf percentage I and the variable I, okay, it will not work. Okay, so if you declare inside for, that variable is only available inside the for loop. If you declare outside, it will be available for. That is something called scope of a variable. Okay, so earlier we discussed about this local to a function, like in your village or in your town, in your home, you might be Kaushik. Okay, Kaushik in his home is a Kaushik. But if I call Kaushik somewhere here, some other person might be coming, right? So the names are not unique, and the names are specific to the context, to the area. Okay, so this similarly, this name I is only to this area, only to this area. Okay, in this area it will work. Outside that, it will not work. Okay, it is called scope of a variable. You need to write down this scope of a variable. Okay, which is important to understand when you want to really use in some scenarios you want to use some things. Okay, okay, so now coming to this, you have this initialization, you have this condition, and okay, this I plus plus, we did not discuss about this. This is also available in C language. Okay, I plus plus is also available in C language. So I equal to I plus 1. Okay, this is a shorthand. Okay, shorthand way of writing. I equal to I plus 1. Instead of writing like that, they said I plus plus. They said I plus plus. So whatever you put in the block, you'll have statements to be repeated. So this is for loop, and while is like you have conditional statements to repeat. Okay, so I plus plus. Similarly, you can also write something like I minus minus. Okay, which means I equal to I minus 1. Okay. Um, so there is one more shortcut similar to this. Okay, I'll not go to the shortcuts now. But this is one shortcut, I plus plus and I
Sir,
minus
voice.
minus. Voice మళ్ళీ break అవుతుందా? Okay. So I equal to I plus 1 and I equal to I minus 1. Shortcuts are I minus minus and I plus plus. Okay, this you can do. Okay, but generally I would suggest to not use I plus plus and I minus minus anywhere except for your examination questions. In your exam, they might ask what is I plus plus, what is I minus minus. Except for the exam to get the marks, in your day-to-day programming, don't use this. Okay, so many languages are actually avoiding this I plus plus and I minus minus. Okay, it is not really needed because today the compilers are like, if you write I, automatically the completion will come, many of the completions will come. So there is no need to write the shorthand. There are some problems with the shorthand, I plus plus, I minus minus, and those things. And I don't want to cover those things also in this part, because we saw here I'm actually explaining what is I plus plus means. But generally we should not use. Okay,
Sir, there is
don't
no clarity. Sir.
అంటే
Voice break out.
బాగా బ్రేక్ అవుతుందా? ఎందుకు బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది? ఒకసారి ఆగు. Am I audible now? Uh, am I audible? Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah,
No,
yes.
not for you. What about others? Can others also say? Like, there are two possibilities, right? So, let me tell you this.